Hello everyone again, friends. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a category in Shopify, how to create a collection in Shopify parlance, and we'll show you how to do that. To create a collection, you click on the Products tab. When you click on the Collections tab in the subcategories that open, you will be greeted by an existing page. On this page, you might have Home Page here. I've just changed it, and the example adds a category. Here it says, I renamed it to Products and saved it. You can delete this category if you want. This is how we deleted our collection. Now, we don't have any kind of collection, a category. When we say create a new collection, what should we create? For example, women's clothing. Right now, I am creating an example category like this. Here, before you create it directly, there is a collection type below. If you ask what this is, I am giving an example. To simplify, if the automatic category, for example the product tag, is equal to, for example, you have added a tag to a product, not a woman. Equal to this. If a product has a female label, this category is automatically added. But we are currently, since we don't have any work with any automatic category, we will use it manually. We create a manual women's clothing category, and when we say save it, our category is being formed. Let's create an extra new category. As you can see, this came as you can see. Let's create it manually, whether it's menswear, and save it as a... Let's also create children's clothing. We have 3 manual categories. We have a category that we created manually. Creating a category is that simple. See you in the next video.